Hello, I am Dr. Raghu. I am an interventional cardiologist who specializes in treating heart diseases without open heart surgery. I have been trained at some of the best institutes in the world, including the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, where I did my MD in General Medicine, DM in Cardiology from Nizam's Institute of Medical Sciences, and an interventional training fellowship from ICPS, Paris, France. People who are looking for solutions for their heart problems, especially those after heart attack involving blocks in the heart vessels, narrowing of the heart valves like aortic stenosis, mitral stenosis, people who have got advanced heart failure can approach me for a foolproof solution for their problems. In addition, I am passionate about treating people who have got blood vessel blocks in the leg vessels, which can lead to gangrene of the foot, as well as venous abnormalities such as DVT or deep vein thrombosis and chronic venous insufficiency, or that is varicose veins. I am an expert in treating cardiac problems which are personalized rather than protocol based. I am one of the very few cardiologists who can do a gamut of procedures in various clinical scenarios, including the following: complex high risk indicated angioplasty, also known as the CHIP angioplasty, is a special area of expertise of mine. People who are more than 80 years of age, those who have got poor heart pumping function associated with a dysfunction of the kidneys, or who have got long segment blocks which are completely blocked for a long duration of time, and also those who have got associated problems like a previous history of brain stroke can be treated efficiently by me without surgery by means of angioplasty and stent procedures. Treatment of valvular heart disease is another expert area where we perform valve replacements without surgery, especially for the aortic valve called TAVR. In addition, people who have got severe stenosis of the mitral valve, also known as mitral stenosis, can be treated by balloon valvuloplasty at our center very safely. Another area very close to my heart is closing the holes in the heart, especially ASD, VSD and PDA without surgery by using an umbrella shaped devices. Children who are suffering from this problem as well as middle-aged adults can be effectively treated, which is a lifetime cure for this group of patients. Those patients who have got diabetes for a long time, people who are elderly and those with renal failure tend to have blocks in the blood vessels supplying the legs. So this can lead to gangrene and loss of the foot. These patients can be effectively treated by me by performing an angioplasty of the foot vessels, thus saving their limbs and in the long term their lives. I can manage heart failure superbly by using medicines, angioplasty, pacemakers in my unique way, and thus can offer a good quality of life as well as prolongation of their survival, especially for those with advanced heart failure. Till date, I have treated more than 1 lakh patients in the cath lab at various locations in India as well as abroad. My team has performed over the last 20 years more than 35,000 angioplasties with a very high success rate. My unique approach of being a personally available interventional cardiologist as well as my interaction with the patients is always personalized and I am available for them all through their life. For the last 20 years as a practicing interventional cardiologist, I have received many prestigious awards including the Best Young Interventional Cardiologist at the Sing Live for the year 2007. This was based upon a competitive analysis of the various angioplasties performed from Asia Pacific region by various interventional cardiologists. In the year 2015, at the 7th Asia Pacific Society for Vascular Society meeting held at New Delhi, I have been awarded the gold medal for the best peripheral angioplasty case done in that year. In the year 2016, I have been awarded the Andreas Grunzig Award for the best coronary angioplasty in a chronic total occlusion case at the 4th Indo-Japan CTO meeting. Whenever someone needs a predictable and a highly successful interventional cardiology procedures, you can always reach me out at my contact details mentioned below.